Hello again. My name is Smith Bay, and if it's your first time watching or you've been watching me for a while, hello, how you doing? I'm good. I hope you're doing good because I'm doing good, so I hope you're doing good. So yeah, today's video we are going to dye my hair. The amount of times I recorded myself for YouTube to do my hair, to like the show you the dyeing process, it never worked out. First time I did it, I lost footage. The second time I did it, my audio wasn't syncing with the video. Like it's always a struggle. So again, here we are today again, dyeing it, and hopefully we can post something to show you the process, or it would just have been all in vain. So yeah. I'm going to show you how to turn this to this. Yeah. So just, I don't know if I'm going to talk in this video. I don't know what I'm going to do. But I guess just watch what I do, and hopefully it helps you. If you do have any, questions and stuff, whatever, just put it in the description box below and I will for sure help you out, because I've done this a couple times, so I feel like I am pretty experienced in a way, in the sense of doing it this method, because I've only done this color and I've only done this way. So yeah, questions below, definitely put it down. I will be happy to help. But yeah, hair type, if you guys need to know my hair type, it's 4C. I'm working on 4C hair, and yeah, I guess here we go, we'll start with the video. Celine on, I got my gloves on. Okay. I'm gonna do this. You can't put that on now. You're not going outside. Why plastic, please? You can't put that on. And plus, I'm doing my hair. So. Please. Go ask mommy. Mommy's downstairs. Go ask her. Please, open it. You can't open it because it's supposed to be when you're outside. I want to. Then ask mommy. Then ask mom. See what she says. See what mommy says, but you can't come in here because it's going to be harsh chemicals. It's going to smell in here soon. Sorry, guys. Pour some of that in there. I don't like to pour too much, but it's like that. It's about, there was actual measurements on here, which I don't know why they put the measurements inside, but it's below the 200, so I don't know if it's milliliters or liters. I don't know. Don't ask me. But there's that. And now we're gonna use the HIcolor. So open that up. You have this. Actually, I didn't even know how much times I did not know that this point here is how you open it. I'm like out here sticking this in here for so long. But I watched one girl do it. I was like, are you freaking kidding me this whole time? But yeah, there's a little hole here. You just pop it, and you see, and now it's open. I bought this HIcolor dye for my stepdad as a gift. It was really rough those times, and even buying it was rough but then he saw me dye my hair a couple times. He said he wanted to dye his hair. He never ended up using it, and it's been like 2 years. So they say that dye doesn't really have an expiry date, so. But I'm like, I might as well use it, you know what I mean? Like, he hasn't used it. He has never used it. So I'm like, I might as well just use it, right? So, but yeah, you take this and you pour all of it in here, guys. Don't waste it. But pop it open. Trying to show you guys the process. There's still so much product in here, but can I get more? Because you have like literally less than 40 minutes. I just want to get everything out. Everything out. There's still so much product, but whatever. All right, so you have this, and then I should show you guys the mixing. Can you guys see it? It can be too watery. I think I poured too. I think it's supposed to be like more thicker than this. This is the consistency, you guys. It should kind of look like these. You know, just I like to make sure all the lumps, all the product is in there. This is the copper, but it's so funny because it ends up looking like copper after, but like for some reason when I do this, it doesn't look like it looks so orange. I'm like, bro, like. So I'm thinking, when I first dyed, I thought my hair was gonna look orange like this, but it didn't. And I was kind of disappointed because I'm like, I felt like I really wanted it to look orange like that. But it does in the sun. It's just weird. But anyways, okay, we're gonna start now. the scary moment. So I actually divided my hair, guys. Divide your hair. Divide your hair. Because you're supposed to. And it gets like an even like color or whatever. Even though I still end up missing spots. I think why the color messed up too last time because I was trying to figure out like how I did it the last time. And I watched a lot of Brandon Mondo. I hope he doesn't see this because he's not gonna approve. I already know. Like I already know. I'm not gonna be doing it the way it's supposed to. But the last time I was trying to find out how I do it the way you're supposed to, and I was so annoyed because I could not find it. Let's try to thing. I could not find how you're supposed to do it, but you're supposed to literally do the ends first, and then the root, and then you do your ends first, and then you do your roots last, because your roots have heat, so it's gonna die faster. So last time I just did my roots first and the end because I saw a video of him where they were doing the roots first and the end, and I did that, and I was like, oh, so that's probably why the color didn't take either. But I'm gonna show you guys the right way. Usually they like don't do it on dyed hair, but it's what it is. But all right, here we go. Woo. And you have 40 minutes to do this, so yeah. Also, guys, wear a shirt that you don't care for getting. This is my dye shirt. I always dye my hair with this shirt. My mom gets mad because it's actually technically her shirt. But yeah. Wear a shirt that you don't care for. And I like to actually get everywhere. Because I always miss spots at the back. I don't know why. But spots. Oop, we already got some hair out. Okay, so that is the back. I do 2 coats. And then we're gonna move on to the front. So we're gonna do this side first. Also, I do mine on dirty hair, guys. I've seen people that they wash their hair first and then they dye it. But I've learned that it's better to do it on dirty hair because your dirty hair already has all whatever you have, all those oils and stuff. So they're actually protecting your hair a little bit more, so less breakage can happen. That's what I heard anyways, but that's what I do. I feel like it makes sense anyways, because I wash my hair first, then dye it, and then wash my hair again. I feel like I'm going to be losing more protein and stuff like that. And plus I have high porosity hair, so when I'm washing my hair already, my hair gets freaking hella dry. So I don't know. I don't do it on, I don't know. Call me dirty. I don't care. Call me dirty. I don't give a crap. Stinks though, like so badly. Rock your body right. Okay, now so we did the top. Don't really care for it that much. Well, I do actually, because that's where it messed up. Now we're gonna go in and do the roots. Okay, I think I'm done. I don't want to put any more. I'm scared. I feel like we did too much. All right. Now my favorite handy dandy saran wrap. I might have to ask Alexa to reset the timer. But this is what we do. Okay, saran wrap. Now, you take the saran wrap and you wrap it around your head like so. Okay. You have to like really hold on to it. Oh, I got a hole in there. Like my favorite method. I think I saw one girl do the saran wrap and I was like, yeah. Okay, Alexa, reset the 40-minute timer.
Your 40-minute timer restarting now.
And then the last 15 minutes, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. All right. Put the saran wrap on. Usually I don't have a little piece like this on there, but try to get all the heat. So we will be back, because I'm not gonna record all this. So this is the end result, yo. It looks pretty red. Let me just turn it up a little bit. I did miss some spots, but it was what it is. Like, when you do it yourself, what can you expect? I put in some spider braids because I want to see if I can like curl it tomorrow, like do a natural curl or whatever. We'll see what happens, because my hair just doesn't like to agree with me. So we'll see what happens, but this is I'm like, let me just section it off tonight, let my hair grow. My arm already hurts. My arm is in pain right now. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in, and you know, see you in the next one. So yeah, if you guys have any questions basically on like, you know, dyeing your hair, what you should do, the process, whatever, after watching the whole video, I got you. So just put it down in the comments below, because their comments help, you know, not only me but you and other people that find the video, because people be having questions, you know, and sometimes those comments help, because either if I can't get to those answers, someone else would, you know, so they help. But yeah, anyways, that's the end, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.